Welcome to the NetTeller tutorial for South Atlantic Bank. Continue watching for a full tutorial on our online banking service, or choose a specific section you want to view. Let's begin. Go to the home page of our website. Click Online Banking Login under the Help Center. You are asked for your banking ID. For your first time logging on, you will enter the 12-digit code given to you by a South Atlantic Bank customer service representative. Your password is the last 4 digits of your social security number or the tax number of your business. Now, let's set up your internet banking ID and password. Your password must be between 6 and 8 characters long and include one number or symbol. Change your username to avoid typing in the digit code every time. It can be whatever you prefer. You must also choose a personal image. This is for security purposes. In our case, one has been chosen for us. Pick one on your screen that you will remember. Next, you have to answer a few security questions. Choose whatever 3 questions you want and answer them as best you will remember. You can even answer all 3 of them the same. Click Submit to move forward. You are given a chance to confirm or edit your answers in case of a mistake. You are now asked to enter a callback verification phone number. Enter a phone number where you can always be reached and click Submit. Again, you can edit or confirm the number. Our email address has already been entered into the system. Please enter or update your primary email address when prompted. Continue your session. You are now looking at all of your accounts with South Atlantic Bank. Notice the tabs at the top of the page: NetTeller, Bill Payment, Edocs, and Options. You may not see them all if you aren't signed up. Right now, let's concentrate on the NetTeller tab. Underneath of it, there are options, accounts, and interest rates. You may also see transactions and transfers. Currently, we are on the Accounts page under the NetTeller tab, as noted by the tiny double arrows. Notice the drop-down option under Deposit Accounts. Here are some quick shortcuts for navigating the online banking website. Each account has its own drop-down. The information shown will be specifically for the chosen account. The first option listed in the drop-down is Transactions. Here you can see all of the activity within your account. If you would like to view another account while on this page, click on the down arrow beside the bolded words, View Transactions For. If you look to the right side, you can choose how many days of transactions you want to view. Since last statement, 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, or all transactions. There are also more options under the NetTeller tab. These are associated with the Transactions page. Click back to the NetTeller tab. If you click on the blue linked accounts, you will be directed back to the Transactions page. The next option on the drop-down list is Download. Here, you can download your transactions, since your last download, since your last statement, or you can choose specific dates. You must also choose the format for how your transactions should download. Click Download to receive your transactions. Back under the NetTeller tab, the next drop-down option is Statements. You can view your statements reflecting the past 18 months, beginning with the most recent. Images are available through Edocs. Coming up, we will show you how to enroll. When selecting the format to view, you can choose PDF, text, or HTML. HTML will pop your statements up on your internet browser. PDF and text will open in another window. Return to Statement List for more options or to change accounts, provided in the drop-down. Next, under Accounts is the Stop Payments option. If you need to stop a payment, enter your information and click Submit. You must also complete the Review and Finish options. Note that a normal service fee applies. The next shortcut under the NetTeller tab is Transfers. If you have more than one active account with South Atlantic Bank, you can transfer funds from one account to another. The final option listed in the shortcut drop-down is Account Info. Here, you can find general information on your account. Click back on the NetTeller tab. As we have gone through the shortcuts, we have also seen some of the toolbar associated with accounts. Specifically, Transactions, Download, Transfers, Stop Payments, Statements, and Account Info. Back on the NetTeller tab, not associated with accounts, is the Interest Rates option. Here, the current rates offered at South Atlantic Bank are listed. Now, let's move over to the Bill Payment tab. If you are enrolled in our online bill pay, the option is available to you. You must first add a payee. Choose if you will be paying a company or an individual. If you are paying a company, enter in their information and search for an electronic payment option. If one is not available, you can make a check payment. If you are paying an individual, it will always go through as a check. Once you have added payees, you can see a list of them under the Payees option. Here, you can edit and delete them. Under New Payment, look at Quick Payment. You choose the payee, the amount being paid, the account, and the date for payment. Note that memos will show up on checks, but not on electronic transmissions. Under Add Payment, you enter the same information, but you can also set up a reoccurring payment. Please note that the payment dates chosen reflect when the check or electronic payment will be issued, not when your payment is due. Allow 1 to 5 days for an electronic payment to leave the bank, and 3 to 7 days for a check to leave. Under the Bill Payment Main option, you can view your bill payment schedule and previous payments. Moving on to the Edocs tab. If you sign up to receive Edocs, you can view your e-statements and/or notices for each account under this tab. Images are included and your statements can be viewed for 6 months. Choose the down arrow to scroll through your accounts until you find the one you want to view. Click the link View to see your statements for each month. A PDF will open in another window for your convenience. You can print the document or save it to a file on your computer for your records. If you are not signed up for Edocs, we encourage you to do so. You can change your settings in the Sign Up /Changes option under the Edocs tab. To enroll all available accounts, simply choose the first box to check all accounts. To pick and choose accounts, select them separately underneath Enroll Accounts. To save changes, click Save Settings. To verify which email address and security phrase will appear when statements are delivered, click Email Settings under the Edocs tab. You can save your settings and/or changes by clicking the Save Settings button. There is an option to add additional recipients to your Edocs statements. To add a recipient to view your statement and/or document, click Add Additional Recipients. Their username is the login name that the additional recipient will use when signing in to view your statement. It may not contain spaces or special characters. You must enter their email address. The access PIN is the recipient's password and must be between 8 and 12 characters in length, containing both alpha and numeric characters. It is case sensitive and will expire every 6 months. Click Save to add the recipient or cancel if you change your mind. To read South Atlantic Bank's disclosure document regarding electronic statements and/or notice delivery terms and conditions, click the Disclosures option. You may also print this document. Reconciliation Wizard is an available option under the Edocs tab. Here you can balance your bank account from your last statement. The final tab is labeled Options. You can modify your personal settings and login information under the Personal option of the toolbar. Pay close attention to the guidelines highlighted in blue print. Make sure you click Submit to save your changes. Under Account, you may change the names of your accounts. To choose an account type, first click the down arrow and scroll to the correct account option. Then type in the name you wish to call your account under the new account pseudonym. Click Submit to save your changes. The Display option allows you to customize your display defaults, how many accounts you can view, the transactions period that automatically appears, bill pay history, transfer history, download lines, and transfer confirmation. If you would like to change the defaults, do so and click Submit to save any changes. When you click on the Alerts option, another toolbar comes up underneath. The web page displays the alerts listing page. Here you can add event alerts, balance alerts, item alerts, and personal alerts. For each, you must choose the account and determine the alert. You must also check the box Log In. This allows the alert to pop up when you log into NetTeller. Your alerts saved will show up under the specific tabs shown on the web page. For easier viewing or to gain ideas about what alerts you would like to set up, click on the Events, Balance, Item, or Personal options on the Alerts toolbar. This is a different way to set up and submit changes to alerts. Move over to the ATM/debit card option. Here, the last 4 digits of your card numbers are shown. If you have lost a card or it has been stolen, check the box and click Submit. You will receive an email from the bank notifying you that your card has been blocked. Contact the bank for a new card during banking hours. Finally, the Mobile Settings option. Under Mobile Web Settings, check the box provided to enable web access for your mobile device. Choose Yes in the drop-down to receive the required text message alerts. Enter your mobile phone number and select your wireless provider. Check all accounts you wish to view on your mobile device. Click Submit to update your settings. Confirm the settings and a text message will appear on your phone. You can access our page on your internet browser or on our smartphone app. You can download it for free in the App Store. Search South Atlantic Bank-Go Mobile. To enroll in mobile text banking, go to your mobile text settings. Check the box to enable text access. After reviewing the bank's terms and conditions, you must accept them to move forward. Again, enter your mobile phone number and wireless provider. Select the accounts you want to access via text and give them a description. Notice the reference box in the bottom right-hand corner. Listed are the text commands you can use to receive updates about your accounts. Click Submit to save your settings. For more information on our Go Mobile app and mobile text banking, please watch our informational video located on our website. Lastly, notice the options in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Available for your convenience is a message center, where you can contact the bank anytime for assistance. You can also view our online agreement. Finally, be sure to log out of your NetTeller account when you leave the site. Thank you for watching South Atlantic Bank's NetTeller tutorial.